Oh, it's recording. Give me my phone, Josh. Elena, say hi.
No!
Say Josh. No, give it. It's recording. No.
Josh, recording.
I'm recording too.
Yes. There you go. Kayla.
No, look at me.
You don't look fun. I'm pretty sure I look funny though.
You can keep it on.
I'm just
okay?
a picture. Mine now. Delete it.
He goes, delete it.
Delete it.
Let me see mine.
Hey, actually.
No, like as in like.
I'ma drink it. I'ma drink it.
Oh my gosh, you look like crap. I've got it. There you go. Fail at life, Josh. Give her her drink back, Josh.
I'll delete it.
Shit, she'll delete.
Oh, crap, it'd be like that one picture in the beginning of the year.
I have that one picture of you going, stop. I'm still recording
No,
you.
stop.
You look fine. Shut up. You're such a girl.
What about the one in Fort Walk?
Yeah, where he's, or no, the one at lunch where he's like,
No.
let me see it. I want to see mine again. Oh my god, ew, that's an ugly picture. I hate that. Look how freaking ugly I look.
God, Kayla ate like 2 fries.
No, you did not. You ate most of them. Do not call me a fat.
I literally ate like 5 or 6.
I counted 6.
What is that?
It's a forward.
Because I can count. Josh, how much can you count to?
2.
Potato.
Potato.
I can count a carrot.
What is it?
Sheep. What the hell is that?
She sent me a picture message this one day. It's like, look at this sheep. Saw it on a cartoon.
I sent you a picture of my cat that one day, and you're like, what the fuck?
That's a big head.
I know. His name is Casper. Mhm. He's gotten huge, and my mom shaved him. Nick, when he came over, he goes, he looks like a hairless New York rat. I'm gonna see it.
Oh, you sent me something about like.
What's that? Oh, it's gas mask.
I said gas mask was worse one.
That was mean. Alright, say bye.
No.
Gotta say bye to the camera or I won't stop recording.
Bye.
No, don't put the McDonald's on it. Say bye, Holly.
Bye.
Say bye, Elena.
It's
It's Justin. Say bye. Oh, God, you're such a